Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to create or set up an emergency contact on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So whether it's a Samsung Galaxy, a Google Pixel, or another Android-based phone, in today's tutorial I have you covered. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on the home screen and select the settings gear button. And then you want to go down and select the safety and emergency tile. And then you can select where it says emergency contacts. Go ahead and click on that. And then you'll be able to sign in to your Google account, or you can actually use it without an account. So if you selected that option, you would just go ahead and select the add contact button. And then you would enter in their contact information. And then you would select save. And that's all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.